My name is Evan Miller, and I don't know why, but today I found myself standing again in front of my grandpa's old house. This is the same place where, as a kid, I used to sit with him on those wooden steps every evening. The air was always cold, and his deep, calm voice would drift through the wind as he told me stories about America. I still remember one evening. He suddenly said, "Evan, people think America is all about power, money, big cities, but the real story of this country was written by ordinary people like us." I asked him, "How, Grandpa?" He smiled a little, looked up at the sky and said, "Your great-grandfather was a small farmer. In 1776, he joined the fight for independence. He didn't have proper clothes, not even proper shoes, and he had no idea if he would ever return home. But he always said, if we don't fight for our dreams, then what are we even living for?" Then he told me another story, one that has stayed with me forever. Our family came to America by boat. The ocean was rough, kids were crying, and people were terrified. But your great-grandmother kept her hand on my shoulder and whispered, "Don't be scared. A new country gives new chances." Grandpa paused for a long moment. The wind around us went quiet, and that was the first time I saw both fear and hope in his eyes at the same time. He spoke softly, "Evan, America is not just a place. It's the voice of all those people who refuse to give up." And now, after so many years, as I sit on those same old steps remembering his words, I finally understand. America's strength is not in its buildings, not in its history books, but in the people who get tired, yet never stop. So today, if someone asks me, what is the story of America? I simply say, it's my grandpa's story, and the story of every dream that took root in this land.